What's going on, guys? Chilling from EzStocks here. Come back at you with another video. Today, just want to go over a play that I made that hopefully if you guys are in for the long run, you guys can make as well. And don't pay attention to this. I did add $3,500 or 4,000 something dollars to my account. I spent $3,000 around $600 on one play and one play only. This is for the long haul. I'm talking about 2, 3, 4 years down the road. You know what it is. Let's scroll down here. Let's find it. Here it is. So, not bets. It's DKNG, better known as DraftKings. So, as you can tell, I bought 100 shares, $3,530 worth of value. It cost me $366. I bought it pretty early on in the day. I just wanted to get my order in. As you can tell from the 1 month chart here, actually, a better example is going to be this 1 year. So the IPO came off around that $10 mark, had a really nice run up, and it came back down. Another run up, come down, and it's been pretty much just flat lining here for the past like month or two, just chilling in this around $35, $36 mark. But as more and more countries, or not countries, more and more states become legalizing sports betting, DraftKings is probably the best app out there, in my opinion. I do sports betting quite a bit, and you know, FanDuel's alright. It's a good second place. DraftKings, though, is head and shoulders above everyone else, though, as far as app building. It's kind of like Robinhood. All the other apps out there are kind of like less appealing to look at. The DraftKings is the Robinhood there. It's got kind of the same color scheme there. It's green. So anyways, I bought 100 shares for a couple of reasons. One, I wanted to have a good portion in DraftKings because I know sports betting, once it comes back, sports are back, the stock is going to skyrocket again like it was. And number two, as I do have 100 shares, I can do option trading. So I can trade with my 100 shares and do very, very non-risky plays and make a good chunk of change. So if I wanted to be super, super safe, I'd set a 1 week out here, go with the $43 strike price, and I get 100 shares. So I'm getting $10 a week for no reason, basically. Same thing there. I could do, make it less risky or more risky and just collect a little more premium. If I want to be really risky, I could collect $123, and as long as I didn't think it was going to go over this, I'd be all set. But obviously, for the next couple weeks, I'm just going to be playing, you know, these really, really out of the money plays that you need a 22% jump here with no real reason for this 22% jump unless more and more states, unless all 50 states really just like said sports betting is legal. I would not expect to see this number jump up like that. But even then, I wouldn't be mad because I would just buy some more shares. But anyways, that is going to do it for today's video. Just going over why I bought DraftKings. Hopefully, convince you guys to do it as well. I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Peace out.